Pasado ka sa exam pero bumagsak ka sa interview. Interview tips for factory worker application in Taiwan. JR nga pala, isang OFW dito sa Taiwan. Sobrang dami kasi nagme-message sa akin hindi ko na sila ma-replyan isa-isa, kaya naman gumawa na ako ng video about dito. FYI lang guys, ito nga pala ay based on my experience at ito ay tamang guide lamang. Number 1, be simple and presentable. Syempre magsuot kayo ng plain white t-shirt and black pants. Depende sa agency kasi minsan talaga nire-required talaga nila yan. Pag shave kayo ng bigote, dapat maaliwalas na talaga yung pagmumukha nyo at hindi kayo mukhang burat. Number 2, smile and greet the interviewer. Pagpasok pa lang, wag mo ipakitang kabado ka, ngumiti ka at mag-good morning ka or good afternoon or ni hao ma. Number 3, handa ang sarili para sa mga basic questions. Tell me about yourself lang, ipakilala mo lang sarili mo tapos sabihin mo lang na maayos at diretso. For example, my name is Saldico. Nag-aral ng pagnanakaw ng kaba ng bayan. Anong work experience mo? Syempre nagtrabaho ka para maibigay yung mga bilyong-bilyong maleta kay Martin Romualdez. Sabihin nyo lang na I am fast learner, hardworking, patient, and willing to learn sa new skills. Tapos pagdating nyo dito, saka na kayo maging tamad. Number 3, why do you want to work in Taiwan? Why you choose to work in Taiwan? Ang pinaka-the best na sagot nga dyan I want to work in Taiwan because the government of the Philippines is very corrupt. Hindi, kidding aside, sabihin nyo lang na I want to work in Taiwan to gain more knowledge, experience, and to help my family. Taiwan is the best country who's caring for Filipino workers and I'm excited to work in disciplined and safe environment. Another question, are you willing to work overtime? Yes, I'm willing to work overtime and follow the company schedule. Hindi nga, pagpunta dito, inuuna yung paggala, aray ko. Another question, how to handle homesick? Ang pinaka-the best na sagot dyan, maglo-lo ka. De, joke lang. I will make myself busy at work and I will read books that can help improve my mentality. Also, due to advanced technology, I can easily talk my family here in the Philippines. Mabuhay. Another question nga, kapag meron kang anak sa Pilipinas, who's going to take care of your children? Pinaka-the best na sagot dyan, edi yung kapitbahay ko. O hindi, joke lang yun. Sabihin nyo na lang na, to be honest, my husband, my wife, my parents, and siblings will take care of my children while I'm away. Tapos i-memorize nyo lang yung mga sasabihin nyo at i-practice nyo na lang sa harap ng salamin. And reminder lang guys, ipakita ang tamang attitude, be polite and respectful. Gumamit ng sir and ma'am, po at opo. At syempre, huwag nyo na rin kakalimutan mag-bow. Dahil yan ang gustong-gusto ng mga Taiwanese. Mag-smile lang kayo, tapos yun, ipakita nyo lang yung eye contact, ipakita mo na confidence ka at sincere ka. I-show mo nga lang yung eagerness to learn. Kahit wala ka pang experience sa factory, sabihin mo lang na willing to learn ka. Yun lang, sana nakatulong tong video na to. Love you guys. Peace. Power!